service, public service position. And there's so many different divisions in the Department of Justice. A lot of people don't really know all that we do. We have, of course, the criminal division, which you hear about that because the Attorney General is charged and mandated to prosecute all crimes under the laws, the local laws of his territory. And there is the white collar corruption crime division, which is another mandate that the Attorney General's office aggressively prosecutes white collar and corruption crimes as well. We have the Solicitor General section in which they handle the appeals of the Attorney General's office, as well as handle the contracting for the government, approving all contracts for legal sufficiency, as well as they provide counsel to many of the agencies, the government agencies in the executive branch. Then there's a medical malpractice section that handles medical malpractice claims that are coming against the government as well as the individual physicians, because we have the medical malpractice insurance is handled through the Department of Health. Also, victim advocates. We have victim advocates division that definitely, well, the purpose of it is to assure that the victims of crimes in particular are, that their interests are addressed, especially when they are going through trial. And we have the paternity and child support division also under the Attorney General. And that is where we handle approximately 9,000 child support, paternity and child support cases in the territory. They also provide access and visitation programs to help families, non-custodial parents, to attain visitation free of charge, to attain visitation through mediation with their children. And they don't have to be in the system, but it's a federally funded portion of the Department of Justice. Also, the Sexual Offender Registry Act, this is SORNA. We handle, the Attorney General is required to handle also the Sexual Offender Registry. And that Sex Offender Registry comes with a website that also, we have to advertise all of the sex offenders in the territory and keep track of them. In fact, under that division, they do regular checks and regular assurances to make sure that the sex offenders are where they ought to be, and also if they're traveling, that they're notifying other states or other jurisdictions where the sex offenders are traveling. That also is implemented, that's over the national, that it is a national program. The white collar crime and corruption, as I indicated before, that is a division also mandated through the prosecution of corruption crimes, white collar crimes as well. And that consists of an investigative arm as well with the Department of Justice, because there in that section, it also mandates the investigation of white collar and corruption offenses as well. And we have the Witness Protection Program that is under our responsibility. The Witness Protection Program is actually a very vibrant and well-used program in that, especially in cases where there are violent crimes. We provide witnesses who are under threat of danger safe havens. We would handle the travel, we handle the getting them situated wherever they travel, getting them getting anything organized financially and otherwise, and also protecting them until the trial, until the end of trial. And that means they will have to go travel, bring them down, and make sure that they're in a safe house and they're kept safe and secure until such time that the risk is gone, and that is at the end of trial. That has been a very vibrant and very active program for many, many years, and it's run primarily by the special agents of the Virgin Islands Department of Justice as well.